Okay, the lines, now go to the upper left-hand corner of your chart. These are your achievement lines. They're the lines that come off the top of that lifeline. I didn't draw the lines in, I just marked the date, the age. And it's going to show, the line will come up off top of that at the age you were when you had the achievement. Now, in between the thumb and the Jupiter finger, where that lifeline starts, that's about age 10. So I just take my cursor and run that down that line. About every 1/8 of an inch is about a year. About every 1/2 inch is about 7 years. So here's the ages when you got the achievements. The lines that are really, sometimes those achievement lines point to that Jupiter finger, or they'll go straight up. If they're extra long, I've circled it, they're extra good. Or if they're real thick, or if they've got a lot of color in them, I've circled them. That means extra good achievements. And I've circled the good achievement lines. Okay, at age 10, here's your achievement lines. Age 10, 14, 18, 26, 28, circled at 33, circled at 40, 42, 48, 51, 55, 57, circled at 59, 62, 63, 64, 70, and circled at 73. That one at 73 was a really good one.